Meaning of cause. Cause can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a reason or something that brings about an effect. As a verb, it means to make something happen. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. The cause of the fire is still unknown. 2. Stress is a common cause of illness. 3. Pollution is a major cause of global warming. 4. The doctor is trying to find the cause of the pain. 5. They are fighting for a good cause. As a verb. 6. Heavy rain caused flooding in the city. 7. His careless driving caused an accident. 8. Loud music can cause hearing problems. 9. The news caused a lot of excitement. 10. This error caused the system to crash.